Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today at GNS Designs, I am working on a bags tournament table. A couple stickers. Here's what the first side of it looks like. We got Green Bay Packers. And the next one's going to be the Cubs, or not even the Cubs, my bad. It's going to be the Cowboys. So I've got an outline over there where things are going to be cut out. Hopefully it works out really well and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I've got some stuff here I got all designed up, ready to go. So I got these ones here. It's gonna go on one set of boards. This is going on another set of boards. Then I got another project here. Move this bad boy over here. Alright, so we got some other stickers for speed powder coating up here. A couple different color designs and sizes. And we got some over here you really can't see unless I move into it. So here, let me set you up real quick here. So you kind of see. Blow it up here. Got a lot of stuff going on here, but this is going to be for Tyson's Plumbing Company and Lori's Gourmet Food and Services. Sells a lot of stuff online. These guys are out by Chicago, and I'm making a bunch of different stickers for Tyson. It's different designs. So one's got an outline on here. Then this was here done in black, and then this one's done without the outline. So yeah, that's what we're doing so far. We got the bag set up right there. Here's the first set of bags we're going to be doing right here. So I'll show you guys how that goes in a second. Alright guys, we are at the end of the video. You guys saw how I put the material and the design on the boards itself and laid it out, cut it, all that fun jazz. But here's what it looks like, okay? So we got one set over here. You got the Green Bay, it looks just like the wood. Kind of got the wood grain in there, in percents. Same thing with Dallas, that's that side. Duplicate this on here and made this one exactly different. So that way, two different individual boards, as you can see. But hey, reach out to GNS Designs, see what I can do for you. If there's something that I cannot do, I will figure out a way to get it done for you so you can get what you need. So reach out to Gene at GNS Designs at 815-793-4269. It's been a wrap. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.